I'm MacIntosh with Gobbler Down Custom Calls. I'm here in my home state of Utah. Don't know how good the first footage that we got of a recovery was, so we're doing it again. The wind's blowing hard. So me and my boy this morning, seen these birds up the roost, decided we'd shift gears and set out in the field. So we set the decoys out. I started calling a little bit, and then birds come right in on a string. I just want to thank Gobbler Down for the calls that they make. They're good quality, made right here in the USA. Gobbler Down supports veterans and our military. Come right to the decoys, and we doubled up on these two toms. And
shoot, Daniel.
I got him.
Okay, here we go. I didn't get the big one.
Come on, dude. Yeah! Oh my heck. That was... Dude, we just doubled on two toms.
double, baby! That's a double! If you want some of the best handmade calls in the US, go to www.gobblerdown.com. Check them out. I love moments like this. It's very rare to double and to do it on film, but to do it with my boy. This is the first tom that he's killed. He killed a jake a few years ago, so it's awesome. Get youth out hunting. Just hit it hard, be persistent. Last weekend we had nothing but bad weather. You can see behind us there's bad weather still, and we just got her done. How about you, buddy?
Yeah. Woo! Shoot him in the face.